Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Trust Wallet to decentralized applications. Wallet Connect is the secure, open protocol that facilitates this connection, allowing your mobile wallet to interact with dApps on various networks. This process ensures your private keys never leave your device, maintaining a high level of security. We will cover the simple steps to establish this connection, whether you are scanning a QR code or using a deep link. Always double-check the dApp's address to prevent phishing attempts. To begin, navigate to your desired decentralized application using a web browser on your computer or another device. Once there, locate and click the Connect Wallet button, then choose the Wallet Connect option. This action will generate a unique QR code on your screen. Now, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Within the Trust Wallet app, find and tap the Wallet Connect icon, usually located in the settings or the built-in dApp browser. With your Trust Wallet open, use its built-in QR code scanner to scan the code presented on your computer screen. If you are already on a mobile device, simply tap the Connect button on the dApp, which will deep link directly into your Trust Wallet. Before proceeding, carefully review all the details of the connection request displayed within your Trust Wallet. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the connection to securely link your wallet to the decentralized application. Your Trust Wallet is now successfully connected and ready to interact with the decentralized application. Remember, each transaction you initiate on the dApp will require your explicit approval within your Trust Wallet. For security, it is crucial to always disconnect your wallet once you have finished your session. You can typically do this by finding a Disconnect button on the dApp itself, or by navigating to the Wallet Connect section within your Trust Wallet settings and ending the active session there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.